Watch the video and get this free study guide to practice the TH sound. Today we will practice making TH alone in words and sentences. Hi, it's Marci. Do you have a mirror like this? If you do, it will really help today, so you can see what your mouth is doing. If you don't have a mirror, that's okay. But if you do have one, pause the video now and go and get it. Ready to learn the TH sound? Let's get started. First, we will make the TH sound alone. Your tongue comes out just a little bit like this. Not a lot, like that. And not behind your teeth, like this. It's just a little bit. Now that your tongue is in the right place, blow air and let a little bit of the air come through the tongue and the front teeth. Try it. Let's practice the TH sound alone. It will feel strange at first, but the more you practice it, the easier it will become. Let's do 3 more times. How did it go? Remember, with TH, your tongue needs to be in the right place, and you need to blow a little bit of air between your front teeth and your tongue. Okay, now let's practice soft and hard TH. Did you know that there's 2 different kinds of TH? It's true. With soft TH, your voice is turned off. And with hard TH, your voice is turned on. I'll show you what I mean. To make soft TH, your voice is turned off. There's no sound coming from your throat. And you can feel the air on your finger like this. Try it. Can you feel the air? Remember, your voice is turned off. There is no sound coming from your throat. Try it again. Now we are going to make the hard TH sound. Remember, for this, your voice is turned on. You will hear sound coming from your throat. In fact, you can feel your throat vibrate with your hand. Hold your hand on your throat and do Try it. Can you feel your throat move and vibrate? Now let's try and see if we can change making soft and hard TH like this. Watch. First, we'll do soft. Our voice is off. We feel the air. And now we'll do hard. Soft. Voice is off. Hard. Can you make soft and hard TH? If not, that's okay. Just stop the video and keep on practicing. If you can make the soft and hard TH, let's move on and practice making the sounds in words and sentences. First, we're going to do soft TH in words. Get it ready. You got your soft TH? Think. Think. Remember, your tongue comes out just a little bit. Think. Think. Hold out that TH and see if you can feel the air. Think. Good. Now let's say think. Bath. With. Now let's do some sentences with these words. I think I can. Thank you very much. The dog got a bath. Math is my favorite class. Okay, now let's practice the hard TH in words and sentences. Remember, your voice is turned on. You can feel the vibration here. Let's try this word. They. Put your hand, make sure you can feel it vibrate. They. Let's do some more words. The, there, this. Let's put the hard TH in sentences. They are late. The cat is tired. There is someone coming. This is fun. Now that you can pronounce soft and hard TH, it's important to practice them and to remember which words are soft and which words are hard. I made something to help you remember and practice these soft and hard words. It is a list of the most common TH words, separated by soft TH and hard TH. You can find it on my website. Just type in englishwithmarci.com/study, like this. See you there.